This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate text in Google Docs. In Google Docs, there is no direct setting to rotate text, so you have to use a little workaround. In order to get there, you need to go to Insert, then select Drawing, then select New. When you do that, the drawing box will appear. From there, you want to create a text box by clicking on this icon that has two T's. Click on that and then draw a text box to your liking and insert text. I'm going to put the rabbit pad and I'm just going to make it a little bigger and I'm going to center it and go from there. So if I want to rotate the text, you need to rotate the box within the drawing panel by clicking on this circular arrow and then dragging it to how you want it to appear. So if I want my text to appear vertically, then I rotate it 90 degrees. If I want it to be upside down, I do that, and so forth. Once you have finished determining how you want it to appear, click Save and Close. And now that text box is in your document. From there, you can move it around. And since this text box is in line with the text, so Google Docs is treating it like a piece of text within the document, you want to change that to wrapping around the text or in front of text or behind text, depending on what you want to do with it. I'm going to select wrap text, which means that I can pretty much put it anywhere and it will adjust other text within the document so that this can appear. If you decide that you want the text to appear differently, all you need to do is click on that drawing, select edit, and then this box will open for you to make changes. So this video shows you how to rotate text in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.